Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on the TikTok app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your device and you will be taken into the home page right away. Now, in order to change your date of birth, you will first need to log in by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner if you haven't done so already. Then you can use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will find Edit Profile. However, even if you go to this page, you will not find any function to change your date of birth. So go back and tap on the menu icon at the top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Within your account settings, you will still not find any option to change your date of birth. So you will need to contact the support team. Scroll all the way down from this page and tap on Report a Problem. You will then be taken into the Help and Support page for TikTok. Now from this page, scroll all the way down and you will find the Submit a Report option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can directly send your report about your issue to the TikTok support team. Now within the feedback box, just type in that your date of birth is incorrect within your TikTok account and that you need to have it changed and you need their support. Then simply tap on the Submit button and you will just need to wait for the response sent by the support team. Once you receive this response, you can simply follow the instructions within and you will be able to change your date of birth once again. After changing your date of birth, it will immediately be applied to your TikTok account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to change your date of birth on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.